Hi. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do here is try to explain how I am generating uh, an array and filling it with random numbers. So let me just hit run and show you what this code is doing first. So what I'm printing out here is the array, the spaces in the array. I created an array and I just gave it 4 spaces. And then in each location of the array, I'm putting in a random number using the random number generator. So how did I do that? So let's take a look here. So, you had to import the random number generator. Um, so I set up the random number generator here. Here I set up the length of my array, and in your program, you'll probably be using a scanner, right, to do this. Um, but I just wanted to set it equal to 4 just to make my life easy for right now. Then here I create the array, and it's going to be an array of integers, and we're going to set it up to whatever length the person wants and that they use here in this variable. This is how I think you set up yours, so I figured I'd follow your pattern. So then here's how we fill the array. Basically, we say we're going to go through every single spot in the array, starting with 0, as we do down here, and we're going to fill it with something. So in our for loop, we're just going to use the variable I for how many times we cycle through that loop, right? So the first time we go through the loop, we're going to start at 0, and we're going to keep going. Each time we go through the loop, we're going to add 1, and we're going to keep going until it's less than the array length. So here, what I'm going to do is in my array called counts, I'm going to fill in I for whatever spot I is, right? I is going to start out at 0, and then I'm going to set that equal to a random number. So how does this work? So I start here, I is equal to 0. I come in here and I'll say, okay, for my array called counts, in the space 0, I'm going to set it equal to a random number. So down here, counts 0 equals whatever, right? And that it's set it to 73. So then it goes back up to here and it adds 1 more. So now I is equal to 1. It's going to come in here and it's going to say count 1 equals another random number. Then it's going to come back here. It'll add 1 more. So now it's count 2. So count 2 equals another random number. And in this case down here, which you probably can't see anymore, I think it was 43. And then, but does it one more time and it sets it to another random number. So let's run it again and see what it looks like. So now, so the first time it ran through the for loop, I was equal to 0, and it set it to the random number, which is 6. Then it adds 1 to I, and it says, okay, now I is 1. So it set it equal to a random number, turned out to be 50. Then it went through the loop again, it added 1 to I is now 2, set it equal to 88, and then, and on and on. And because in your case, you're going to have the user enter the length of the array. I mean, I could put any number in here, and it would just repeat all that. And so now see, it's just filling for random numbers. I think you need your array length to be any number greater than 10, I think was what it was. So I don't know, let's just say 11. I think that's it. So let me know if that helps. I'll send you the code and I'll send you a link to this video. All right, let me know how you make out. Thanks, bye.